So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving exercise 3.3 question number 2nd of maths class 10 NCERT. So the question is based upon pair of linear equation. So let me revise the question first. Solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. So first of all, we will write both the equations. This will be our first task. 2x plus 3y equals to 11. This is our equation number first. And second is 2x minus 4y. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. This is equation number second. So as you know, through substitution method, first of all we will solve the equation first. We will write the value of x from equation first. So we will write the from first. We have, this is first 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Now what will be the value of x? So clearly x will be 2x will be 11 minus 3y. So x will be 11 minus 3y upon 2. So the question is how this 2 is came downwards below 11 minus 3y. The thing is, if 2 is multiplying to the x in this side, and if I am turning 2 on the other side of equals, then it will become in the divide form. So it will be below the 11 minus 3y. Okay, now we will put this value. So let me highlight the value. We will put this value in equation number second. So we'll write by substitution method, substituting x equals to 11 minus 3y on 2 in second. So second equation is 2x minus 4y. So let's first write the equation 2x. Second. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Equals to minus 24. Okay. So value of x is 11 minus 3y upon 2. So I'll write the value of x 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y equals to minus 24. Now, so we can cancel out the 2 to cancel, and what's left? 11 minus 3y minus 4y. So it will become 11 minus 3, and minus 4 will absolutely be minus 7. So minus 7y equals to minus 24. So minus 7y will be equals to minus 24 minus 11. Alright, this 11 will go here and it will become minus. It was plus here, so on the other side it will be minus. Okay, so now Now as you are seeing, this minus is multiplying to the variable y, so I will put this 7 to the other side of equals to it, so it will be in divide form. Let's see. Y equals to minus 24 and minus 11 will be minus 35, and this will be equal to minus 1. We can cancel out minus 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. So now we got the value of y equals to 5. Okay, if y is 5, then what could be the value of x? What will be the value of x? We just wrote the value of x. X is 11 minus 3y upon 2. This is 11 minus 3y upon 2. So on next page, x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. This is the previous page. X is equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. Okay. So what was the value of y? So substituting, substituting the value of y. So x will be equals to 11 minus 3 into 2. The value of y is 5. Okay. So in place of y we will write 5. So it will become 11 minus 3 into 5, 15, minus 15 and 11 will be minus 4. This will be upon 2. It will become minus 2 after cancel out. Okay. So x is equals to minus 2. X is equal to, we found x is equal to minus 2 and y equals to 5. So let's check the answer in NCERT. I'm going to NCERT. This is exercise 3.3 question number 2. This is 3.3. Okay, let's check the answer. 1 second. Answers. So exercise 3.2, x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. So m equal to minus 1. So I just didn't find the value of m. So let me find the value of m. Let's find the value of m. Okay. So what was the question? Full question was, 1 second. Our question was y equals to mx plus 3. So we found the value of y, we found the value of x. Now we are going to find the value of m. Y equals to mx plus 3. As y equals to mx plus 3. So x, in place of x we will write minus 2 and in place of y we will write 5. 5, right? Okay, let me verify once again. Y is 5. Okay. Now y is 5, x equals to minus 2. So what will be the value of m? This will become minus 2m plus 3. So now I will put this 3 on other side of equals. So it will become, now let me do this here. It will become minus 2m equals to 5 minus 3. So it will become minus 2m equals to 2, then m will be equals to minus 1. So let's check the answer. If it's minus 1, then we are correct, accurate. M equals to minus 1. Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, m is minus 1, x is equals to minus 2, y equals to 5. We got the answer. So to watch videos like this, please subscribe my channel and move.